In this lecture, I would like to talk about data type and its memory storage. String reference type. In Java, we have two data types, primitive data type and non-primitive data type. Primitive data type including the numeric, integers, and the floating point numbers. For integers, we have byte, short, int, long. For floating point data type, we have double and float. For non-numeric data type, we have character and boolean. And all of these are considered primitive data type. For primitive data type, we can have a variable, and that variable is actually assigned with a fixed memory location. And this memory location can be in constant pool or can be in the stack. And actually, it has a specific location to store some value in. On the other hand, non-primitive data type, we have string, array, and the classes. And actually, the class is a template to generate the object. And these non-primitive data type usually don't have fixed data length. So they will need to have a flexible memory locations. So usually, these reference data types are just pointers to point to some memory location, and those memory locations can have flexible lengths. That means they won't have a fixed length like byte to be 1 byte and long to 8 bytes. They can be a custom designed memory location with some predefined but flexible lengths. And right here, P1, P2 can be points, and one point could have 2 integer or 2 floating point value. And that's different from the primitive data type. Right here, we are going to continue our discussion for strings. String is not a primitive data type. And reference data type have a separate reference pointer and a memory location in different location in computer. So when we use reference data type, we need to pay more attention to. The primitive data type, we can assign the value to the variable directly. That will be put into the memory location for the variable. Reference data type, the data is not directly assigned to the variable. Instead, it's a pointer pointing to the memory location. So right here, let's get started. Let's declare string 4 equals string 1. String 1 doesn't copy the whole thing over to string 4. Instead, it only copies the memory location, the pointer for the welcome to Java message. And the next one, string 5 equals another welcome to Java. These two, the content are the same. In fact, they will be pointing to the same memory location. Now let's define another one called str6 equals new string This one will be pointing to a different location. It's a separate object or string other than this original one. So 1, 4, 5 pointing to the same thing, and 6 pointing to the different thing. Let's do the comparison. If string 1 equals string 4, we print Let's try this. So right here, it shows 1 and 4, 1 and 5 are the same memory location. But 6 is a different location, so 6 doesn't show up. And then, if we don't care about the memory location, let's compare the string by its contents. In order to compare the contents, we should write something like this. So that will show you that they have the same content if they are equal with the same content. So double equal signs is comparing the memory address location, or sometimes used to compare the variable's value. And here for strings, we are comparing the address. And for dot equals, they are comparing the contents. Let's try this one. So right here, it shows you that 14, 15, 16 have the same contents, but 14, 15 have the same memory location, but not 16. And string is also a reference data type because it is used to hold multiple characters as a collection of characters. Primitive data type variables will be assigned with certain value. They are of fixed length. Reference data type, on the other hand, doesn't have the same data length. So usually, they are assigned with a memory address, and that address being stored on the reference data type variable. So it holds a value to indirectly addressing the memory location. So string 1 could be stored with one address, string 4, string 5 may store the same address value. And we may have a string 6 using the object constructor to construct a new string put into a new location. And this string 6 is holding the address to that memory location. But later, it can be updated with the same string pointer that we assign to string 1, 4, or 5. So this variable is not holding the value of the string value. On the other hand, it is only holding the pointer or the reference value of that string. So if we look into the memory model, you will see that this reference data type is holding only the address, while the data is stored in a heap. And these reference variables, if not static, it will be put into the stack. And then it indirectly addressing the reference data memory locations. So array, objects, and string cannot point into the memory location of its storage indirectly. Thank you. Bye.